Hey Rock Stars, it's me, Tiffany Roth, and on today's episode of Tiffany Talks, I am going to share with you my dirty, stinky, scandalous, I mean just like, ooh, little secret. And yes, you know what? Because of Tiffany Talks, we're close now, we're here. I'm gonna share that secret with you today. So you guys know I work out 6 days a week, that's no secret. But the secret is that I have over 6 days worth of dirty, stinky, smelly, wet workout clothes. Ah! I can't even put them inside the hamper. I have to put them on top of the hamper so they don't contaminate all of my other clothes with their smell. I mean, I don't have time to do laundry every day, so when I do the laundry, it needs to count. It needs to really work. So here is how I found a solution to my dirty little secret. I summons up all of my superpowers. I found a product called HEX that actually gets the job done. Gets all the stink out of my clothes. So you guys might be wondering what's so special about HEX. I'm going to tell you what's special about HEX. It doesn't have any dyes. It doesn't have any fillers. It doesn't have any optical brighteners. It doesn't have any phosphates. It's just a clean, clear detergent. And you know what? What you put on your clothes ends up on your skin. So not only is HEX good to put on your skin, it's also great for your clothes because it extends the lifespan of your clothes. You know some other detergents that are super harsh, they like fade your clothes or make them look bad. Well, I work out a lot, so I need my clothes to look good on camera. That's one of the reasons why I chose HEX, because it preserves my clothes. And another added benefit is it is good for the environment. Okay, so here's the HEX product. And it has biodegradable packaging, and it has these biodegradable little pods, and you throw them in the laundry, and voila, your clothes smell good, they look good, you feel good, everybody's happy. You, me, the clothes, and the environment. So thank you for letting me get that dirty little secret off my chest. I feel so much better. I actually feel free. Check out the description box to find out more about this awesome detergent. They even have something that works great for smelly shoes. Okay, so I will see you all in the next episode. I'll be looking clean and fresh in my new workout clothes. Don't forget to subscribe.